I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Shopify store to a new owner, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan, of course, so I want to let you know about this special offer running right now. I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which is normally almost €400 per month. I got it for just €1 per month for the next 3 months, and you even get 3 days of Shopify completely for free. So it's the best way to try Shopify and don't spend a lot of money, so you can choose any plan you want, and you will just spend €3. So don't forget to use the link in the description. So all you need to do is go to settings, and right here, once you are at general, just scroll down to the bottom and you should find this option, organizations and store transfers. So as you can see, you can transfer this store to a new owner outside your business. So you can click on manage, and then you just need to put in the email address of the new owner, and they will get an email which they just need to confirm, and the transfer will be completed. So that's it. That's how you can transfer your Shopify store to a new owner. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.